You must have seen a wall clock. Did you ever notice that the two hands of the clock together make different sets of rays from a common point? These sets of rays from a common point form angles. So, an angle is formed when two line segments or two rays have a common end point. An angle is measured in terms of degrees. If angle ABC measures 60 degrees, we write it as shown here. Observe the figure shown here. We can see an angle PQR, which is bisected by the ray QM. Bisector of an angle means drawing a ray in the interior of the angle with its initial point at the vertex of the angle, such that it divides the angle into two equal parts. Let us learn an important property of the angle bisectors of a triangle with the help of an activity. First, draw a triangle ABC. Use a compass to draw the bisectors AD, BE, and CF of the angles A, B and C respectively. What do you observe? It can be seen that these three bisectors pass through the same point. That is, they are concurrent. Name the point of concurrence as I. Note that the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of a triangle is in the interior of the triangle, and this point of concurrence is called the end center. Draw perpendiculars IP, IQ, and IR respectively from I onto the sides of the triangle AB, BC and AC. Measure the lengths of these perpendiculars. We find that IP is equal to 2.2 centimeters, IQ is equal to 2.2 centimeters, and IR is also equal to 2.2 centimeters. Looking at these three values, we can conclude that IP is equal to IQ is equal to IR. Let us have a quick recap of what we have learnt. An angle is formed when two line segments or two rays have a common end point. Bisector of an angle means drawing a ray in the interior of the angle with its initial point at the vertex of the angle, such that it divides the angle into two equal parts. The three angle bisectors of a triangle meet at the same point. That is, they are concurrent. The lengths of the perpendiculars drawn from the point of intersection of the three angle bisectors of a triangle are equal.